Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make bacon beef. First, choose a good cut of beef, like a chuck roast, around 2 to 3 pounds. Next, slice 1 pound of bacon into small 1-inch pieces. This will help render the fat evenly. Finally, prepare your seasonings, such as salt, pepper, and garlic powder, to enhance the flavor of your beef. This initial preparation is key for a delicious result. Now, let's get cooking. Begin by rendering your 1 pound of bacon pieces in a large Dutch oven over medium heat until they are wonderfully crispy. Remove the bacon, leaving the flavorful fat behind. Next, sear your seasoned beef on all sides in that rich bacon fat until it's beautifully browned. Then, deglaze the pot with 1 cup of beef broth, making sure to scrape up all those delicious brown bits from the bottom. This builds a fantastic flavor base. For ultimate tenderness and flavor, it's time for slow cooking. Return both the crispy bacon and the seared beef to your Dutch oven. Add 2 more cups of beef broth, ensuring the beef is partially submerged. You can also include aromatics like onions and carrots for extra depth. Cover the pot tightly and braise the beef in an oven preheated to 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 3 hours, or until it's fork tender. This slow process makes all the difference. Once the beef is incredibly tender, remove it from the pot and shred it using 2 forks. Mix the shredded beef back into the rich pan juices to keep it moist and flavorful. Serve this delicious bacon beef with your favorite side dishes, like mashed potatoes or roasted vegetables, for a complete meal. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Enjoy your amazing homemade bacon beef.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.